With so many kids falling behind in school, it can be really stressful and overwhelming for parents. First of all, we don't always know exactly what they're supposed to be learning and which grade level. We don't know exactly how we can be supporting them and what we can do and how to get them to actually become thinkers and problem solvers and all those essential life skills that we really want them to learn. And that's why my husband and I created Blimey Box. It's an educational escape game kit for kids that has over 100 educational escape games for kids ages pre-K through third grade. And it really teaches those foundational concepts, but it also incorporates a lot of problem solving. And so kids are learning their math skills, there's reading and logic, but they have to solve the puzzles to get codes in order to unlock locks on the box. Ultimately, get a treasure. How does this work? All parents do is once you buy the box arrives all set up and it comes in a first introductory game for your child. And this game should be fairly easy for your child to do. It's just figuring out that they have to solve the puzzle to get a code and open the locks. And then once they open all 5 of the locks, they have finished the game. Once that is over, the second step is to make sure you reset all the locks back to 0 and put everything back in the box so that it is ready to set up again. If your kids are anything like mine, they're gonna want you to set up another box right away. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to our online learning library where we have all of our printable games ready for you, organized by different grade levels. You choose the game that you want to play, you print it out, and they include instructions on how to set up the game as well as answer keys. And then you can set up the next game for your child with the box and the locks, and they get to play and have fun, and you get to sit back, enjoy a cup of coffee, and relish in the success of knowing that your kid is learning thinking, problem solving, math, reading skills, and really building up their confidence and being able to be successful. And once the game is over, reset all those locks back to 0, put everything back in the main box so it is ready to play again, and you are good to go. Get out there and start having fun learning.